Hi guys, this is Sunil Gupta and you are learning the complete ethical hacking course Exploring Secrets of Hacker 2017. It's a truly new course and we are learning some new technologies and terminologies regarding ethical hacking. So this is a complete course of ethical hacking which helps you to crack some exams of ethical hacking, to learn some more concepts of ethical hacking and to get jobs in cybersecurity areas. I'm Sunil Gupta and I'm a web security specialist and I'm here, your instructor for this course. So let's proceed it. First of all, we are going to learn some essential terminologies in ethical hacking world. As I already told you that the basics of ethical hacking is necessary in this course, and after that we will go to our advanced level of ethical hacking. But first of all, our base should be strong. So that's why we are trying to strong our base by learning some terminologies in ethical hacking. So first one, as you can see here, the first one is hack value. What is hack value? You can read here the notion among hackers that something is worth doing. If you don't know what is hack hacking or if you didn't understand what is hack value, the hack value is the reputation of hackers, that how good he is in ethical hacking or how good he is in hacking. Every hacker has its hack value. You can create your hack value in the black market, as well as if you get some honor from big companies like Google, Intel, Microsoft, etc. So they give you a certificate and they give you a place in their Hall of Fame. So that is called hack value. Second, vulnerability. If somebody asks you what is vulnerability, your first answer should be weakness. Weakness in a system is called vulnerability. It can be software vulnerability as well as a hardware vulnerability. Next, exploit. Exploit means, in a simple method, it is a method to hack a system. So the method which can hack a system is called exploit. Next, payload. Payload is like the exploit code, the malicious code inside an exploit is called payload. Next, zero-day attack. Zero-day attack is like if today I have discovered a software or I have created a software which can which I'm the only person who knows about it, but nobody other than me knows about what is the software. Then it is called a zero-day attack. When a software designer will patch or will find a patch for that attack, then it won't called a zero-day attack. Next, doxing. Doxing is like if I publish some personal information about my friend or about a big personality on internet, on social networking sites. So that process will be called doxing. Next, bot. So as you can see here, a bot is a software and hardware, and when it installs in a computer, a hacker can gain access remotely to a system. Bot is like a zombie. When you install a bot in any system, then you can get the remote access of that system. Now, what is hacking? Everybody knows about hacking. Yes, you also know about hacking. Then you are doing questioning on this course that why you are learning what is hacking, because we know already what is hacking, but you don't know the standard definition of hacking. That's why I have included this in my course. So this, if somebody asks you what is hacking, don't hesitate and give this two-line answer. Hacking is defined as a process in which hackers can use advantage of vulnerabilities of the system to intrude or penetrate in that system locally or remotely. This is a professional definition, or this is a perfect definition of hacking. Hackers use advantage of vulnerabilities. Vulnerabilities means weakness. Hackers can use advantage of weakness of the system to intrude or penetrate, or to, it means hack, in that system locally or remotely. Hacking can be used to steal or share private content of individual or a company. It can be a private content, or it can be about an individual, or it can be private content for a company, right? Now, hacker classes. If somebody asks you that what are the classes of hackers, then you can tell there are mostly three types of hackers in this world. First is black hat hackers. Who are those? Those type of hackers are the most talented hackers in this world. What they do? They only do illegal things in this industry. That's why they are called black. Next, white hat hackers. White hackers are professional hackers who work in the industry. They are also called ethical hackers. Like me, I call myself as ethical hacker. But it's up to you what you think or how you think about me. So they work for the legal purposes. White hat hackers work for legal purposes. Why? They secure network and website of a company. So companies hire white hat hackers. When you complete this course, you will become a white hat hacker, at least a white hat hacker. Then it's up to your skills that you can become black hat hackers or not. Next, the black hat hackers. These hackers work both sides, like they work as legal as well as illegal purposes. That's why they are called grey hat hackers. So maybe I can be a grey hat hacker, or I am grey hat hacker. Next, suicide hackers. Suicide hackers means, as the name defines itself, the suicide hacker is like they don't care about the result of hacking. They don't care about the imprisonment. They don't care about the punishment after the hacking. They just want to hack the system and don't care about the result. They are called suicide hackers. Next, script kiddies. Script kiddies like those hackers who only know about the tools and softwares and only run tools and softwares and don't know about the programming skills like C, C++, Java, PHP, Python, Perl. So they are called script kiddies, those who only run others' softwares. Next, hacktivist. Hacktivist like the person who promotes hacking on Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, or some other social engineering, some other social networking platforms. Those persons are called hacktivists who promote hacking. What are the phases of hacking? That what are the most important phases of hacking? So there are 5 steps or 5 phases in hacking you should follow. First, reconnaissance or information gathering. Reconnaissance or information gathering means, first of all, we have to find some useful information about victim on internet. Then there comes the scanning phase, in which we scan the target. Then we gain access to the target. We hack that system. Then we maintain access, and then we covering tracks. So this is all about our hacking. What is hacking? What are the types of hackers? And what are the phases of. So these are some important questions the interviewers can ask you when you apply for a job in industry, or when you are cracking any ethical hacking exams, so they can ask you these questions, that what is suicide hacker. So you should tell them that hackers who don't care about the result, who only wants to in the system. That's their motto. is all about the first phase of ethical hacking introduction. In next video, we will continue from here to learn more about the introduction of ethical hacking. Till then, thank you and keep learning.